Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Choose to Sparkle, and I'm Shatabdi, and today I'm making chicken biryani in a very easy way. Anyone can make at home in a very easy way. So please, if you like my video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to get more information and notification. So let's start. At first I've marinated my chicken with this it looked like this, with garlic ginger paste, onion paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric, Kashmiri mirch, and biryani masala. And these are like biryani cut pieces. Approximately 8 pieces are here, so anyone can make of any amount of pieces. So this is my pieces, and you can see the cut. It's big and broad cut, specially made for biryani. So if you want, you can make the pieces short, but I have done the big cut. And here my beresta is ready. It's ready to be. It's ready now. Yeah. You can see the color of my beresta. It's very much ready and crispy. Main thing is you have to make the beresta very crispy. So I've made the beresta very crispy. And this is the potato. I have cut like biryani cut, half whole potato cut into half pieces. So this is, I'm going to fry this along with the gravy. So let's start. You can see the pieces is very much big. And this is my whole spices, whole garam masala spices. You can see there is elaichi, big elaichi. This is cinnamon sticks, this is black pepper, this is cumin, whole seeds cumin, and this is ginger root, and many other things are there. So this is whole garam masala. Anyone can buy it as a whole in a packet. And I'm gonna give this with the rice when I will boil the rice. So I'm gonna give this, and if you want, you can give this, you can make this in a gravy also. So let's see what happens. And here my basmati rice is soaked in water. So you can see it's a whole grain rice, long, very much long rice, nice and white. So I soaked this. This is approximately 1 kg rice soaked in a water. Now I'm going to start this by cooking the rice first, and then I'm going to start the video by making the gravy part. So stay tuned for the video and enjoy the video. Sorry, actually I thought to fry the chicken pieces first, then I would go for rice part. So this is my fried chicken. This is like this is wings, and here it is chicken breast is frying. So this is my leftover chicken. I will fry this afterwards. So after frying every part of the chicken, I would go for the gravy part, and then at last I will go for the rice part. Then I will mix all of the things with this beresta, and will end up having biryani. So let's do the rest and we'll come back. Now you can see I am making the rice. It's boiling, and I put all of the whole grain garam masala tied in a cloth, so that the flavor would come up into the rice and it mix up. So we have to wait till now the rice is cooked. So let's just wait up. So I'm making the gravy of the chicken. So I just started to making the gravy, and It's quite bubbling right now, and I have given here the onion paste and the rest of the marinated paste we left out while frying the chicken. That paste, because it contains garlic ginger paste, which I have not added again, but I have just added the leftover whole marinated marinated paste. So now you have to just saute it with little bit of oil and butter. If you want to add butter, it's okay also, but otherwise you can add refined oil. But I'm not frying it. I'm not making the gravy with the desi ghee or ghee, because it makes the biryani very rich, which I don't want to make. So that's why I'm not adding ghee right now, but I will add it afterwards. So you can see I have made the rice here. It's long grain white basmati rice, and I've made the rice parboiled. It's not fully boiled. It's just 70% boiled. And here it's a white rice, and here it's a food color added rice. Same rice, same way of making of the rice, but I have added food color into another half of the rice. You have to, if you want, you have to make two segments of the same rice. One is for white rice and second is for colored rice. If you want to add kesar, so it's okay. If you want to add kesar, it will give the nice fragrance, but I haven't used kesar here. I've just used color, only to give the color, not the fragrance. So my rice is done, and now I am coming to my gravy. So now into the gravy I am adding the chicken, fried chicken. And I've also added cumin powder, coriander powder, and a little bit of garam masala, salt and sugar according to the taste. And no need to add again biryani masala to it, because I'm gonna use it later on the rice. So I have added the pieces here, and you have to make the gravy out of it. And this oil, this is extracted from the fried chicken, so I'm gonna use it here because it will give the depth of the flavor and depth of the color. So I've added all the pieces of the chicken, and here you can see the color is already coming out. The oil is separating, and though it needs some time to do so. And now I have added, 2 seconds before, I have added half cup of water, so that the masalas can mix up well and give a nice concoction over here, and this chicken would become soft. So now I'm gonna cover it up with a lid for at least 10 minutes in a very medium flame, not a very high flame. So this will take, the gravy would take approximately 10 minutes or so, or maybe it's 15 minutes. If you have put it on a low flame, it will take 15 minutes, and if you have put it on medium flame to high flame, not a high flame but medium flame, it would take 10 minutes maximum. So let's just wait up. Actually, this is my style of. Now I think my chicken is ready, and it's almost 10 minutes. Now let's check it. Yes, it's ready. It's bubbling, and the color which I wanted is absolutely the right color which I wanted for the chicken gravy. And now let's assemble with the rice. Now I am assembling the part. First I have given the yellow rice, then I have given this chicken gravy, and now I will give this white rice. As you can see, I have done layering this one, and it wasn't fitting to actually one vessel, so I have to take two. This one I have done the layering. You can see it clearly, beresta and white rice, and then there was chicken, and underneath is the yellow one. Here also, on the top of it there is beresta and then white rice, then underneath it is chicken, and then underneath is yellow rice. So there are 4 layers of it, and I have given little bit of Keora water and rose water essence and sprinkle of biryani masala. That's it for the layer. And now it's ready to now I'm ready to give the dum of it. It will be like on dum. If I put it on dum, then I have to leave it for 1 hour, and these two vessels will go for dum, and then our final result will come out. So this is what it looks like. So we have to wait for it unless we can I give them of it. So let's wait. So now I've completed my biryani, and you can see this is the final result of it, and this is also done, and this vessel is also done. So let's see. Yes, this is the final thing. Oh my God, it's too hot. So let's dish out the biryani and taste it, and until and unless we taste it, we cannot say the final result. But hope you guys enjoyed my video, and this is my first vlog on cooking purpose. So first attempt I have done biryani. So I think you guys enjoyed a lot after watching the videos. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. Bye bye.